identify them based on their sets of parallel sides. So this is from page 568 in your journal if you want to follow along. You'll see there's a Venn diagram because yes, we can use Venn diagrams in math too. So great. There's a Venn diagram in your journal. And so I'm doing it in a little bit of a different format so you can kind of see it both ways. So here we have some of our quadrilaterals labeled by their letters. So we're going to first identify any quadrilaterals that have no parallel sides. And remember, those blue tick marks tell us when sides are the same length. And then those blue boxes are the square corners that tell us that it is a right angle. Okay, so no parallel sides. I'm looking through my figures, and I think I have a few different shapes. So I want you to look through those as well. Okay, so I see that, and I'm going to type it here, that quadrilateral, I got to say it slow to make sure I spell it right, quadrilateral QRSP. There are no parallel sides in that quadrilateral. And I see another one. I'm typing this out, see if you can identify it. I hope you said quadrilateral RNZQ. And again, you could have named it differently as long as you're naming it by 2 points that are on the same line, same side, okay? All right, do you see any more that have no parallel sides? I think that's all I see. Let's take a look at shapes that have at least one set of parallel sides. And in your journal, this is the part where the Venn diagram overlaps, because if a shape has at least one set of parallel sides, that means that there's one set, but it could be more. My other box over here is looking for two sets of parallel sides. So I may have some shapes, some quadrilaterals that go in both of these boxes, and that's okay. All right, one set of parallel sides, at least. Well, I know that whoops, see, I'm spelling it wrong when I'm talking. Quadrilateral FGHE actually has two sets of parallel sides. You see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to put it right there because it has two sets of parallel sides, which also means at least one set. Then I noticed quadrilateral BCDA also has two sets of parallel sides, so that's at least one. I'm wondering if all of my same quadrilaterals are going to end up in both of these boxes. Let's see. Okay, let's look at the next one. Well, we know that the quadrilateral QRSP has no parallel sides. We already took care of that one. Taking a look at JKLM. Oh, look at that. I see one set of parallel sides. So looks like that will only fit in here. I can't put that with two sets of parallel sides because it only has one. My next one, my trapezoid there, UVWT, that's one set. UVWT. And last but not least, we don't have to worry about that last polygon because we already found that that had no sets of parallel sides. Good work. Okay, so now you're going to take some time to solve some problems on your own today.